Starla Soulmate drawing. So here is the app going quite viral on TikTok. So here you can then just find it. It's not called Soulmate drawing. It's just called Starla app. This is a kind of astrology app. So as you can see, this is what you have. And if you're looking for this feature for Soulmate drawing, you have two apps. You have Astra and you have Starla. So you can just open it up, and then you have all of these different features, and then find your soulmate. Your soulmate is waiting to be found, and then you just tap to find your soulmate, and then it starts to draw your soulmate based on your date of birth and all of this astrology data. And then unfortunately, to uncover it, you need to basically to upgrade to see the image. So monthly plan is $14.99 per month. So this is how you can reveal, and then you can chat with your soulmate, check your compatibility score, read their star sign, get detailed insight into their personality traits and how they love. So this is what you can see in here. But you need to upgrade for that feature, and there is only like a monthly plan. There is no weekly plan or free trials to see the image. Otherwise, you can see like the small details like that. But so there you have it.